The advantages of this new LH4588C is that we can finally adjust for corner stitching. Conventional sewing machines could not be sewn beautifully at some angle since the sewing machine could not be adjusted finely. This new machine sew any angle beautifully. When sewing corner stitches at certain angles with a conventional machine, I was unable to finally adjust the stitching pitch and had to give up sewing. The corner stitching correction function of the new LH4588C has improved the quality.
Corner stitching can be easily performed by hand lever operation, promising greater ease of use. Corner stitching has become easier than it was when performed by foot operation on a conventional sewing machine. Even when sewing with a single needle, the ability to automatically sew a preset number of stitches on the new machine makes stitch sewing easy. The new machine is very easy to use because it moves smoothly as expected.
It is also an advantage of this LH4588C that adjustments of the machine are digitalized and are numerically displayed on the operation panel. I find adjustment of the thread tension is easy. Our factory produces many different items in small lots. Production items are changed over as many as 3 to 4 times a day. Sewing machine adjustment is required when the production item is changed over. Now that the new LH4588C adjustment data can be saved, the adjustment work is reduced every time. Once set, the adjustment data can be reused by calling it up as needed. The adjustment time is reduced substantially. Maintenance time has been reduced by about 80%. The maintenance time has decreased and the operating rate and productivity of the sewing machine have increased. It was very difficult to tell with a conventional machine because there were a lot of analog adjustments set by hand control according to feel. Now that the adjustments are digitized, I can recommend this new LH4588C to understaffed factories.